Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to work on our write block, the event, interact and rooming block. So let us go to Unreal Engine for that. First of all, we see clearly here they would never fire because all of that is ever set to false. So we got here a sequence. I want a new task. I call this dice action. So here we want to resize execute AI, and we want to roll the dice. First we want a random float or random integer, no random float. Let us make a random float. No, not between 0 and random float in range. Here we want a random float in range. We will again go from 0 to 100. So now we need a select float. Is a select float enough? No. Because we only have A and B. We want a switch. So the thing is, we have to tell how the range is for what. We got our random float here. And now we want to say if the random float is less or equal to 5, then you want to fire the event. This is greater 5, greater how we did this best way. Yeah, we do it with simple branches. I think it's the best way. So here we say it is less than 5. Then we know it true it is, and not false. We know it's greater 5. We know it. So we can tell them here less than 50 because we know it's greater 5. So we make another branch here. No. And on this false block, we know it must be greater 50. So I think that is the simplest way we could do that. Yeah, I think so. So now we have our loading. So if it this, what we want to do is to get our Blackboard. Add Blackboard here. Bring it here, maybe around here. And we want set tool maybe here. Key name promote to variable. And we want to put it to true. And we need our key. You know what I mean because we did it a lot of times. So where it is, can interact, room, can start ghost event. This we have a higher chance of 5%. So the next thing is, again, it's ever bool, so we could bring it here and here. So false, promote to variable, promote to variable. So let us get it, these bad boys. Can interact here. Can interact name. We did it. And we did it. I think here, no. Blackboard piece. Let it organize it a little bit. And here should room. We want to name that name here, here, and bring it here. So we need one function on set all, we call it, and here we want to get the Blackboard. Well, let us not look. Blackboard component. So here we need our Blackboard. All that Blackboard of type Blackboard component. Object reference, yeah. And we want to get this 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. We want to unset. Here we bring, yeah. So first we want to unset all. That's the first thing we want here. So, and now we want to use the task. And we want to use it here. Tasks. So first we go here and dice the action. After she did it, so now we got play and we got look. What has he dice? He has dice for can start ghost event, but we never call him to finish the execution, so it not goes finish. Again, go here. And we see true. Okay, he not clear that up. Wanted so because it's got way too fast. Let us bring a wait in it. Wait for maybe 2 seconds. Blackboard. Yeah, I know what's go wrong now. We never set the Blackboard here, you see? So now it should work better. Yeah, he goes here because can start is true. He goes in here, but why he ever goes into this? Now he goes to another, but he's most likely to get the 5%. Why he want to get the lower numbers? Let us see. Yeah, because I not do less than. Less equals and less equals. That was the reason. And start again, yeah. He's most likely to go on the 5%. And he ignores. Yeah, he ignores us because he aborted at this point, so that's true. So let us handle this first. We don't want him. Receive, not receive, execute AI. Finish execution. And we go back here. It's the same here as we did it there. And it's the same here because now we get our weight to work. Yeah. He goes in. Ever can start ghost event. Ever the 5%, this makes no sense. I will debug that short. So I found the failure. If you make a random flute in range and you connect it multiple times, he will dies every time again. So we have to store it in a variable and then use the variable for the check. Now if you, and I bring here some weights so we can follow the part. I will start it now so you can better see it. So now we dice base condition, we dice rooming. And now our hunt is active, you see it here. The hunt ends, and now we go here, interact, wait. And we wait, and we are on rooming, on interact. And we are on a hunt. The hunting triggers too much. We will work this out too. But now we have our dicing and a decent operation will be picked. Now it's interact and so on. So this we know on 50 minutes. So that is for this video. We now have a dice action, and with that action we can set all of this. I hope you learned something. See ya!